In this video, I want to share with you how to use the central command trading interface, the terminal interface, how to access the cheat code indicators, and basically how everything works. So, first of all, welcome. It's a pleasure to have you here. And at this point, I'm going to assume you've already followed the steps. So you've already created a Blowfin account with my referral link. You've already created a free account here on the central command trading terminal, and you've already connected the Blowfin account to the central command trading terminal with your API key. If you haven't done that yet at this point, make sure to follow the link in the description down below. There's a quick tutorial. I'll run you through how to do that. You should here be at the point where you have your Blowfin account connected and you're ready to start using the terminal, or at least learn how it works. So this video specifically, I'm going to focus on the cheat code overlays, right, the indicators. Anything else, there's going to be a lot more tutorials about how to use the platform. There's a ton of functions and features and cool stuff that we're continuing to build out. It's like absolutely awesome. But I'm just going to focus on the cheat code indicators in this one. For everything else, in the description down below, there is a link to more tutorials. So what we're going to do here, just a quick overview. So we have the chart here, obviously, which you can change in the top left to pretty much anything you want on Blowfin. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, gold, if you want like XAUT, perfect. Everything is there. Okay, so that's where you change it. We have the time frame. So currently we're on a weekly. Let's change it to hourly. And you can see over here, this just works as any chart on a platform normally would. Okay, real-time data, very, very simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to smart overlays. And you can see there's a whole lot of stuff here which we'll explore in other tutorials. But for the cheat code indicator, it is the range deviation. So you just turn this on with one click over here. And you can see that it shows the blue and the red. This works on every time frame. So whether you go down to the 1 minute chart or all the way up to the monthly chart, it works on all of them. And it works on all charts, not just crypto. So it works on Bitcoin, it works on gold, it works on oil. I'm going to show you how to use all of that stuff. And then what I use in combination with this is the EMA ribbon, which you can also toggle on and off with one click. And I like stacking both of these because it gives you just a bit more data and a bit more of an edge. So how this works is incredibly simple. It's just colors, it's visual, it's stupid simple, and that is what I've made it for. So you can see over here, when it turns blue, it is an indication that the price is oversold, that is not likely to continue lower without a bounce at least, and that maybe even it has a complete reversal. So very simply put, when you see blue, you know it is probably going to have some sort of bottoming process, and it is not a time to short more into the blue. So number one is no shorting. Number two, you might want to get out of your already open short positions at this point. So let's just say you were in a short position over here and you start seeing the blue. Well, maybe it's time to get out of that short because as you can clearly see here, it would have run back to this entry and even hit the stop loss, right? So number one, you don't want to short into blue. Number two, you might want to consider closing existing shorts. And number three is actually even you might want to consider looking for longs after a reversal. And this is actually where the ribbon flip comes in. So again, all of this is visual indicators. It is an assistant, it's a guide. It's not an absolute. So it's not like you see blue and you have to 100x long, right? It doesn't work that way. It's a warning system. It's a system that allows you to visually very easy see what is going on. So what I like to do is after I see the blue and after we get the EMA ribbon flip, okay, so you can see over here where we see the flip of the EMA ribbon where the red goes back above the blue. At that point, after the blue, we could consider taking a long. And then we can continue holding that long. You can see it just stop at the low, and we can consider holding that all the way until we see the first signs of red, which appeared over here. And you can see that's probably about a nice 1 to 3 risk reward. Super nice. The same thing works for the inverse for red. When you see red it's likely meaning it is overbought. Number one, it means don't long when you start seeing red because it's likely overbought. Number two, it means if you already have existing long positions from lower down, you might want to consider closing those at the red. You can see over here when it started turning red again. It's a nice 1 to 2 risk reward over there. And number three is you can consider starting to look for longs once it's starting to turn red because we get the flip. And even better is wait for the red to confirm and wait for the EMA ribbon flip over here before taking a short position. And you can see here it works over and over. As you zoom out on the chart, it'll show you kind of what's happening here perfectly. The blue, perfect bottoms. It would have allowed you to catch this move here. And at the red, it starts warning. And again, this works on all time frames. So if you're someone who likes to sculpt the 1 minute chart, I like to do that personally. I like to have some fun with this. If I'm sitting in front of the computer, well, then it moves faster. And you can see you can catch some very, very nice moves here. Very simple on the 1 minute chart. You can see over here. Boom. If you would have waited here, EMA ribbon flip, you could have caught this entire move, which is pretty big. It's 74,200 to like when it started turning red, 75,800. That is a $1,600 move on the 1 minute chart. And these kind of things you can do with higher leverage because your stop is going to be tighter. If you enjoy day trading and scalping, I really like this way of trading. Right, and you can see over here, warning when it started getting overheated. And boom, immediately already we kind of pulled back over here. So it's very, very nice. But it works just as well on the higher time frames, right? Or let's just say you're a swing trader and you don't want to be sitting in front of the screen all day and you don't want to be taking trades 10 times a day. Here's on the daily how it works very well over here. This was the top. This was the all-time high. And look how it called that. And it would have caught that entire short move down, right? And you can see over here, once we started hitting the $60,000 level, we've been bottoming. Well, so far we've bounced from 60 to 78,000, right? So it also works on the daily. And obviously, depending on the time frame that you're trading, your strategy adjusts, your stop loss distance adjusts, and your time horizon adjusts. You can see here on the daily chart, it's going to take you weeks or months for a position to play out, versus on the 1 minute chart, it could take you minutes or a few hours for the position to trade out. So it really depends on your personal style. This is something that you can just use for all those styles, whether it's swing trading, whether it's day trading with higher leverage, whether it's just spot, right? If you use this to start seeing it as a warning, hey, you know, this is the time to start getting out of spot at about 110,000 on average, and maybe it's time to start getting back in at around 70,000. Well, you could have sidestepped like $50,000 move, right? $50,000, and that also is very, very powerful. It just helps you for all types of trading and investing. And the cool thing is, like I said, this works on everything with the chart because it's price action based. It's not specifically related to crypto. So Blofin and pretty much most exchanges in crypto have been adding TradFi. They've been adding precious metals. So you can trade gold and silver and oil and stocks and indices, and that's all available here now, and you can use the overlay for that. So for example, let's go to gold and let's get the 1 hour gold chart on over here. And you can see here, okay, boom, it just works, right? You can see here, this was the time gold was getting overheated at about 5,300, and here it was getting oversold at 4,400. And even here it warned a little bit on this bounce up, boom, and then down, right? Very, very cool. But we can also zoom in on the 1 minute chart. If you like to trade gold, well, you can do that with your Blofin connection here. So we can just set our leverage, whatever we want to do. Boom, very simple. We can change our leverage over here, whatever we want. We can adjust our position size and open a long or short. And because you're connected with the Blofin API key, this will just execute on your Blofin account. You remain in full control of your funds. We never touch your funds. We don't have your logins or anything like that. It's just API connection with the official Blofin account. And you can see what it's doing over here, even on the 1 minute chart, right? you can see over here we had the deviation at the bottom at around 47.80, and it took a nice run up over here to 4,800, right? So that's a nice like $20 move on gold. If you're day trading this, scalping it with higher leverage, that's a pretty nice move that you can catch. You know you're not shorting into blue, and you know you're not longing into red. And if you were already long at this point, when you start seeing red, well, maybe it's time to consider closing that long over there. And of course, this is a 1 minute time frame. So again, I just want to emphasize this. If you're trading on a 1 minute time frame, you obviously have to keep in mind the higher time frame. So if you're scalping this with higher leverage, well, then you want to play the time frame, and you want to be aware that one big move on a higher time frame can obviously make a massive move up or down if there's a big news event. If you're only looking on the 1 minute chart, that's something to keep in mind, right? But you can go through all these time frames. We can change it here to the 4 hourly, and you can see here also how nicely this is working. And you can see it's starting to turn red over here. So we had this bottom over here. We don't short into that, and again it's starting to turn red here, which probably means we're not looking to long red over here, and we can probably expect more downside in the near future. And this way you can just go and trade whatever it is that you want to trade. So we have the QQQ over here, same thing applies. You can see it's very, very simple. The blue and the red, it makes it so visually simple how things are working. And it's so easy to see. We have oil too, right? Oil is CL, the ticker over here on Blowfin. You can see 15-minute chart, and we got the overlays, boom. And you can see right here. Okay, well, very simple. Once it starts turning blue, again, we're not shorting into blue. That created a nice bottom move up. And once it starts turning red, again, that's a warning. You don't want to be long here. And if you already have longs, you might want to consider closing because it dropped back down. And this is really how simple it is. Super, super easy to use. Very easy to turn on and off, right, on any chart. One click, EMA ribbon, one click, range deviation, and there we go. If you want just a plain chart again, boom, just like this, you can change everything here very simply. Change back to Bitcoin, boom. We want the overlays, we go to the smart overlay, turn on the range deviation, turn on the EMA ribbon, and there we go. And it's very clear, very easy. And for me personally, this has made a massive difference to my own entries, my own TPs, my own stop loss. You know, sometimes you let your emotions get the best of you and you see the price going up and up and up, but you see this going red. So instead of where normally I might have longed this because I was feeling FOMO, nope, now I know it's based on the data, don't need to rely on emotions. And the same thing when it's going down and you start, there's a combination of fearful sentiment on social media, and maybe there's bad news events, whatever, but you see this being blue, well, you know, based on the data, it's probably not a good idea to be looking to short into the blue, and this is just incredibly helpful. So this is the visual indicators, the cheat code overlays. Like I said, there is so much more to this platform. This is just touching the tip of the surface. I think this is very cool. Alone, just having this is already very helpful for trading. But there's so much more, and the tutorials are down below. Like, for example, I just want to show you this real quick. We built out this whole markets terminal where we got all this information, all this data, but it goes so much deeper than just, you know, the top gainers and stuff like this. Like, for example, we build out something here for the Bitcoin cycles to compare the previous bear markets, right? 2014, 2018, the current cycle high, the current price, the current drawdowns. There's so much information here that I think is very, very cool. We got the economic calendar over here, which shows the news events that are upcoming and stuff like that, with the medium impacts and everything like that. So there is literally so much more to this entire terminal, and the details on how to use that, there will be down below. I highly recommend you check that out. You can see we've built in liquidation heat maps, funding rates, open interest, fear and greed. Like, all this information is here that you can open in a separate window, and then we can back to the terminal, we can trade. This is something that we're building out to be the complete trading terminal, the only one that you need, with all the data, the overlays, the indicators, and it is absolutely awesome. So check out the tutorials down below to understand more of how the terminal works. But get started with this overlay and let us know how you feel about it. Let us know if it makes a difference to you. We have a free Discord for Central Command users. The link and the details are down in the description below. So if you haven't joined that yet, come and join. Feel free to give feedback, hang out with other Central Command users, and we'll see you on the inside.